present-day content stages. For example, Reddit, YouTube and Spotify have turned into a vital piece of our cutting-edge everyday life. It is evaluated that sound and video spilling administrations constitute 70% of the aggregate web information movement. In the midst of this unstable development lies a few long-standing difficulties that substance makers, purchasers, publicists, and merchants confront, obstructing the achievement and reasonableness of the business. For example, it has turned out to be trying for content makers to adapt their manifestations on numerous stages. For example, Instagram and YouTube, clients make all the substance, from which the stage benefits tremendously by pitching promoting space to publicists. Be that as it may, most by far of makers once in a while get made up for their essential commitments to these stages. Likewise, when in reality makers get paid for their substance, they are subjected to layers of delegates who direct out the majority of their compensation. Then again, the customers of these substance get no remuneration for their commitments. For example, YouTube has an aggregate of 490 million clients around the world, who create an expected 92 billion interesting online visits for each month. The normal YouTube client spends around 25 minutes on the site each time, 14 times each month, signifying 5 hours 50 minutes per month, yet are never fiscally remunerated. They are industrially abused by intense stages pushing forceful battles to acquire clients from contending stages. These forceful rivalries leave little and medium-sized stages no decision however swing to low-quality or pilfered content, exchanging the cost of this to the end client through longer advertisement times or higher membership expenses. With the coming of blockchain innovation, it is presently conceivable to use the physical engineering that is credited for the fleeting achievement of Bitcoin to an environment that attempts to battle these issues. Our solution to the problems mentioned above is the ContentBox Platform, which aims to build a blockchain-based ecosystem for the digital content industry of tomorrow. Under ContentBox, the whole industry will gain 3 invaluable features: a shared content pool, a shared user pool, and a unified payout system, an alternative token-based solution. The ContentBox stage intends to make a blockchain-based biological community for the advanced substance industry of tomorrow. Under the ContentBox biological system, the whole business will have a chance to increase 3 important highlights, including a mutual substance pool, a common client pool, and a bound-together payout framework. While both autonomous distributors and makers keep on fighting to control the dispersion of their substance and its adaptation in an industry overwhelmed by a couple of significant stages, ContentBox will offer an elective token-based arrangement. The ContentBox stage will be totally decentralized, self-governing, and exclusively determined by the open source group rather than significant industry players. Sorting out the stage in such a way enables ContentBox to help different online and versatile applications use the energy of a common computerized substance and client pool all the more productively, without the oversight of outsiders. The center functionalities of ContentBox stage incorporate Box Payout, Box Passport, and Box Unpack. Box Payout is a borderless and secure installment exchange arrange that will be executed in ContentBox. The stage will likewise incorporate a cross-stage personality and attribution entryway called Box Passport. Box Unpack will be utilized by autonomous distributors to set up an online stage and an application interface to help designers in coordinating blockchain-based administrations. Castbox will pioneer the transition from centralized app to a decentralized blockchain-based app. As one of the establishing individual from ContentBox Foundation Limited, which will direct the beneficial and positive development of the biological community, Castbox will pioneer the progress from a brought-together to decentralized blockchain-based application. Castbox is on a winning worldwide podcast stage that empowers its clients to effectively discover, get to, and appreciate content and additionally wind up content makers themselves. The Castbox stage offers its clients access to an extensive variety of unending substance in numerous dialects, anyplace, whenever through their favored gadgets. Its innovation empowers highlights, for example, curated podcast proposals and in sound profound hunt. The stage at present positions as the quickest developing and most astounding appraised sound application on both Android and iOS. It brags of a client base of more than 16 million from 175 nations, through an official statement. The San Francisco-based firm expresses that its invasion into the blockchain space takes after the dispatch of its exclusive in-sound pursuit and customized suggestion innovation controlled by characteristic dialect handling (NLP) and machine learning, solid technical team and rich industry experience. Castbox fellow benefactor and previous Google worker Renee Wang said that while the computerized media industry was based on the standards of inclusivity, it at present does not bolster the autonomous distributors and makers as it is excessively top-overwhelming. She kept saying that by utilizing blockchain innovation, the playing field can be leveled with the philosophy of reasonableness and receptiveness. Castbox has brought $29.5 million up in speculations from investment firms, including IDG, SIG China, Zhen Fund, and Kaiming Venture Partners. For this new blockchain wonder, Castbox has gotten the support of famous blockchain financial specialist Bo Shen, who is the originator of Fenbushi Capital and an early adopter of Ethereum. Shen remarked on ContentBox saying that he put resources into the stage because of its solid specialized group and rich industry encounter, which he accepts will empower the stage to end up the principal executioner application for the computerized content industry. Integration with Castbox app, token distribution. The native digital cryptographically secured utility token of the ContentBox platform box is a major component of the ecosystem on the ContentBox platform, and is designed to be used solely on the platform. Before the official launch of the native blockchain on the ContentBox platform, Box will initially be issued as ERC-20 standard-compatible digital tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. Once the main net of Box payout is online and stable, the ERC-20 token gets converted to the chain token on a one-for-one basis. Website https://contentbox1